Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Do this once a week and your face will look 10 years younger. Everyone knows that rice is a powerful storm acid and a powerful antioxidant, then along with it the production of collagen in the body. Moreover, they slow down the formation of new wrinkles on your skin and also become a good protection against the negative effects of the sun. Unfortunately, with the exception of the Japanese, no one in the world knows these most interesting facts. Especially when it comes to rejuvenation matters. We invite you to try this wonderful mask for yourself, which improves skin color and smooths out wrinkles. To prepare it, you will need to boil 3 tablespoons of rice. Save for yourself the water that flows from the cooked porridge. She herself already adds a tablespoon of warm milk and a warm spoonful of honey to the porridge. You need to apply the resulting mixture to clean and dry skin. Leave it on your face until it is completely dry, and only then wash it off with the cooking water. Rice water has strong antioxidant properties. It moisturizes the skin and stimulates blood circulation. This water also helps in removing age spots and inflammation of the skin. You can also use it before you sunbathe. It moisturizes the skin and protects it from the formation of new wrinkles. For optimal results, it is recommended to apply the rice mask at least once a week. Repeat these several times and you will look 10 years younger. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.